Welcome back. Now in this video, we're going to be discussing how you can add on to your membership using WordPress plugins. Now you can add on to your WordPress installation to enhance your membership, and you're going to do that through the use of plugins. Now, one of the ways that you can do that is you can add on a social network through the use of a plugin called BuddyPress. At the website buddypress.org, you will find that there is a place for you to download the free BuddyPress plugin, and you can actually have a social network where your users will have profiles where they can interact with other people and private message them and basically interact on a social level as well as professional. And it's a little like Facebook, and it's almost like having your own mini Facebook inside of your niche, inside of your own site. And so if you have a highly interactive group, this can be a fantastic way of keeping them engaged and keeping them on your site and interested in what it is that you have to offer. Now, another way that you can add on to your WordPress installation is to add a forum using bbPress. Now with bbPress, you'll go to bbpress.org and you'll be able to download the plugin. And while setting up your forum is going to be a lot of work, it is fairly easy to get bbPress installed and actually work with the categories to get your forum the way that you actually want it. And it's a full integration once you actually get it installed, and you can interact with your membership or only your members. You can actually hide it from the search engine so that only the people who are going to be part of your membership are going to be able to be part of your forum. Or you can bring free users into your forum and then feed them into your membership as they find out more about it. Now you can also add a classified section onto your WordPress installation, and it can be for members to make special offers to other members. And there are plugins available like WP Classifieds where you actually can create your own classified ad section of your website. You can also add on a wiki to create a reference site for your membership's topic or for your membership's niche. And there are plugins like WP Wiki that will allow you to create a wiki on your site. And again, basically what you're doing is you are giving your users the opportunity to update with you a set of circumstances that will only occur within your niche or within your site. You can also add on polling and surveys as part of your site to keep your members engaged. And there are plugins like Social Polls by Wedgies as well as WP Polls that will allow you to do that. So basically, you have a number of options available to you to add on to your membership so that you can keep readers engaged as well as to make your membership interesting. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.